year old. I had these, guys, I have so much, and I love them so much, and I just don't know, I don't want to open them because I don't want to do it like off camera, and then I just kind of piles up, and then you know, next thing you know, it's been a year, and now I have piles of 1-year-old fan mail. So yeah, I decided to open it, and yeah, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Alright guys, here's the first box. This one is from Tara, so thank you so much, Tara. And this one is actually sent March 14th of last year. So yeah, it's been a pretty long time. Ooh, we got some slime. So she sent a little note and she said, Ameerah, I literally watch all your videos. Wait, no, I literally watch your videos all the time. You are my inspiration. Your videos are great. Thank you so much, Tara. That is such a nice letter. Okay, anyways, and then here is another note. I think this has the slimes that she has. We have a bag of extras she sent. Here's a little miniature slime, I think. And then here is a little squishy that is so cute. And then these really cute purple fishbowl beads. So the slimes that I got are these two, and they have these cute little sticky notes. I'm not sure what these are, but they're really cute little shirts. And this one is called green slime. Wonder if it was gonna be activated, guys. These are 1 year old. This is actually in really, really good condition for being 1 year old because they've been moved around a lot, guys, like a lot. It's probably melted by now. Okay, I'm gonna get my activator, but first I'm gonna open this slime really quick. This one is called Great Slime. These are such cute little stickers. Alrighty, this one is orange. Oh, this one looks like thick. Alright, okay, so here are the two slimes, guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and activate them. First, I wanted to mix this up really quick, see what's going on here. Okay, that's interesting. Let's go ahead and activate it, or just put some activator in it, and then let's start activating it. Alright guys, here is the first slime. This one kind of reminds me of watermelon. Also, it activated very quickly, like it didn't need much kneading, just like a little bit. But anyways, here it is, and it's pretty like thick. Like sometimes they get thin when they're old, and then sometimes they get thick too. And like this one's thick. And it didn't need much activator. And yeah, I like it a lot. It's like, it really reminds me of a watermelon because it's like a light green color with pink foam beads, and it is very cute. So for being 1 year old, I think it's pretty good. All right guys, let's get on to the next slime. All right, so we have this one. Let's see what's going on here. This one seems like it's actually really thick, and it has like some globs on the bottom, which I have no idea what are. All right, let's go ahead and activate it. Alright guys, here is the second slime. This one is pretty thick too. They all have very interesting textures. Like it's, oh, that's crunchy. Anyways, it's like very soft and like thick. I don't know how to explain it. Like I've literally never been able to explain it, but it is very soft and very thick. But anyways, it has like a peach color. It has a lot of glitter in it, and it looks really cute, and I really like it. It's very crunchy too. Alright guys, let's get on to the next one. Thank you so much, Tara, for sending me these. These are amazing. This next one, guys, is from Ella. And also, this one was from May 8th, 2018. Oh, there's a lot in here. Okay, so she sent me this little extras bag. It has 2 little squishies. These are so adorable. Then we have these slimes and a note. Okay, so she put all the slime she has on this on the note. And yeah, okay, so we're gonna do raspberry sparkle and sugar cookie sizzle, and apparently they're all scented, so I am excited for this. All right guys, so here it is. This is, oh whoa, that is thick. Oh, and it has a lot of holographic sparkles. This is pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and activate this. Alright guys, I finally kneaded it all together, and it is very, very thick. It's super duper pretty. It has, I don't know what kind of color. It's like kind of like a reddish pink color, and it has a bunch of sparkles, as you can see, and it is super duper thick. This is really nice. Does still need some kneading though. It still has like knots and everything, but it's pretty good. All right, let's get on to the next one. Next one is called Sugar Cookie Sizzle, and this one I think is a cloud dough. Oh wait, no. Oh, it's a butter. Whoopsies. Okay, and then this one smells like sugar cookies apparently. Well, I feel like I can kind of smell it, but I can't at the same time. I feel like probably because it's so old, maybe the smell kind of like left, but yeah. But oh my gosh, this is crazy. It's not. It doesn't even need to be activated. Is this even slime? This is amazing. This is so cute too. Like it actually really looks like sugar cookie. Okay, well, it's not very sizzly, but it is very, very, very nice and buttery and like really thick and really soft and smooth. And I really love this. Like, it is so nice. All right, well, I guess that's it for that one. This one is really, really nice. I love this one. It is amazing. Like the texture, like I just want to keep playing with this. Like this is so like amazing, and it's like not sticky at all. And it's like a year old, guys. Like this is crazy. Okay, all right, let's get on to the next one. And thank you so much, Ella, for sending me these. These are amazing, and I'll check out the other ones after. But like this sugar cookie one is amazing. Like, oh my gosh. Alrighty, guys, this next one is a very, very big box. And it is from Jacqueline. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it. So she sent a note. Hi, Ameerah. I've been watching your video. I've been watching you for over a year. You're also my favorite slime YouTuber. If Karina Garcia is the slime queen, I think you're a slime princess. I think your ASMR is better than Charlie's and Jamila's because Charlie's is too fast and Jamila ASMR is just nail ASMR, but I still like Charlie and Jamila because they're funny and funny to Ameerah. I hope you like my slime. Sorry I had to type my letter because my handwriting is super bad. Love you guys. Aw, thank you so much. Okay, so there's a lot of wrapping paper. This is first, these are the extras. Okay, so this has a bunch of candy in it. This has these little chili mango lollipops. I love these, so thank you so much. And then this little glitter palette that is so cute. It's like hearts and flowers and stars. These are Mexican gum, and they are, I don't know, I don't remember if they're tasty. I haven't had it in a while, but I love how they are. They're just cool. And then there's glitter, and then even more glitter. Here is the actual box. So it's super duper cute. Okay, there's also more candy too. Ooh, this looks interesting. And then I think this is a slime. So let's go ahead and get into this. We're gonna do these two right here. Okay, so this one is called Love You Not, and it is not scented. Uh-oh. I don't think this one's very good anymore. This one I'm not gonna open. I'm gonna leave it to the side because I'm pretty sure all the slime is on the top and it's gonna spill everywhere, so I'm gonna leave that. Next one is dish soap. It's called dish soap and it is scented, so let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, first we have this on the side, which I think was the slime, and it's like very weird, but anyways, it's just dried up. So here is the slime. Whoa, that is thick. It smells like dish soap, like I said. And let's go ahead and activate it. All right, guys, here is the slime. I feel like it was like maybe a fluffy slime before. I don't know. It has a very cool texture. These all have such cool textures. I don't know. I guess probably because they're so old, but this one is like soft and thick, just like the other one, but like in a different way. Like it's so weird. Anyways, I like it a lot. It's super crunchy too and very, very stretchy. And it has very nice pokes too. See, let's see if we can make a bubble with this. Oh, we did it. Okay. Hit. Yes, I made such a nice bubble. This is perfect bubble slime, guys. Like, oh my gosh. All right, so that is that one, clearly. I really, really like this one. Like the other ones too, of course. But, anyways, I really, really like this one. This one was very nice. It's not sticky. Like, sometimes it gets sticky. This one's very, very nice. I love the color and the texture is very nice too. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do, since I'm not gonna be doing the heart one, is this one. This one is apple cinnamon, and it is supposed to be scented too. Okay, yeah, I could smell the apple cinnamon there. Kind of like reminds me of just like sugar cookie or like cinnamon in general. Okay, let's go ahead and activate. Alright guys, so I activated it. Here it is. This one is super glossy, I feel like. Glossier than the other one. And I really love the smell of it. It smells like kind of like cookies to me. I don't know why, but and the color is very pretty too. And the texture is like I think it's thicker than the other one. It feels thicker and very glossy too. And like clicky. Yeah, clicky. I cannot wait for this one to clear because I feel like it's gonna be super, super duper glossy. Very crunchy too. Great for bubbles. Let me try and make a bubble really quick. Oh, that is an amazing bubble. Alright, well that is it for this package, guys. Thank you so much to Jackie for sending me these amazing slimes. Like, thank you. These are really, really nice. I really love this, what's it called? Cinnamon? Apple cinnamon, I think? Yeah, I really love this one. It's very nice. Guys, this was sent from Bailey March 3rd, I think. March 23rd last year. Okay, let's open it. All right, guys, so here is a note from Bailey. Dear Ameerah, my name is Bailey. I'm 11 years old now and I live in California. I love your channel and I haven't subscribed for about 6 months, so I guess, guys, it's been like a year instead of 6 months. I have watched every single video of yours. Thanks for entertaining me for so long, and yeah, oh, thank you. Her Instagram is sugar_pop_slimy, so make sure you go and follow that. Shout out to her. And let's open this up. Such a cute wrapping paper, guys. Okay, so here's the first slime. Oh, is this the slime shop? Okay, this might be a slime shop, guys. So yeah, that's probably the Instagram, guys. Shout out to them. Okay, this is called Mint Chip Cloud. I guess it's a cloud slime. It's cool, looks weird. This one is, I think, melted, so I'm gonna go ahead and activate that. Whoa, that's so weird. Feels really cool. All right, and then she sent me these little pom-poms, some gold glitter. I think this is a cup of little jelly cubes. That is so cute. Okay, and then these rubber bands that are, no, not rubber bands. I think these are actually loom bands, and these are really pretty. So for this, it seems like it's pretty good. It just needs a little bit of activator. So I'm gonna activate it, and it seems like it's like more of a wet cloud, which I actually really like wet clouds. I know a lot of people don't like wet clouds, but I actually like them. I like how they're cold. Okay, I think I activated it. This is so weird. Like, it doesn't feel like instant snow. It feels like paper almost, but I still really like it. Like, yeah. This is more of a cloud cream, I feel like, than a cloud, because it's not very drizzly, but it's still really nice. Like, this texture, bro. These texture, like this one, it kind of feels, like fluffy slime, kind of. And it's like super moldable. Yeah. Well, I really, really like this. This is really cool. All right, well, thank you so much to Bailey for sending me this. This is really, really nice. And you guys make sure you go check out their Instagram. Next one we have is from Comet Creations. This one is actually a slime shop, I think. I wanted to try the slime shop too. So this is called Comet Creations. I think I just said that. Anyways, check them out. This is their little sticker. It's so cute. By the way, guys, this says slime shop on it. That's why I know. Oh, whoa, there is a lot of slimes in here, guys. So here's all the stuff they said. They said a lot of stuff, guys. There are 6 slimes. This is a little container of activator. They said these little paper clips, not little, but big paper clips, and they are so freaking cute. Like, I love these. A lollipop, little bag. Yes, a little bag with chapstick and Jolly Rancher, and then this little lollipop, a little bracelet, a little note, foam beads, a pack of Sour Patch Kids, and yeah. All right, guys, so there are so many slimes here, and I have no idea what to do, so yeah. I'm gonna do this Funfetti butter, and then maybe this vanilla frosty, and this Marina Knife fishbowl. All right, so let's go ahead and start activating these. Which one should we do first? I'm gonna do this Funfetti butter. I think I need to mix it first though. The clay did separate, because it's been so long, it did separate from the slime. That's normal. And then we're gonna activate it. Alright guys, here is the slime, and this one is kind of like puffy. It's very, very light. I really, really like it. And it has like a light pink color. I'm not sure if it's scented or not because I can't smell the scent, but yeah. But it's like very puffy and like inflating. Very, very nice. I like this one. Alright, that is it for that one. That is very nice. Okay, let's get on to the next one. Okay, next one is Vanilla Frosty. Okay, this one's completely melted. Ooh, whoa. I don't know if that's a butter slime or not. Or maybe, whoa, this is weird. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and activate this. Alright guys, so here is the slime. It's all activated. It is pretty like jiggly, but it smells so freaking good. Like, oh my gosh. Only thing I would change on this one, like I love it, the scent and everything, but the only thing I would change is just to make it a bit more like thick, because I feel like it's a bit too jiggly right now, but like this is really nice. And also, I kind of like vanilla bean, but this is vanilla, so yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that's it. But this is really, really nice. I love the scent. It smells so good, and like the texture is really, really cool. If it was just a bit thicker, it'd be amazing. But like, I love how they put instant snow, and it like really looks like an ice cream, so it's really cool. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. Next one is Marina Life Fishbowl. These labels though are so cute. I don't know, I really like them. Okay, so this is all melted too. Let's go ahead and activate it. I feel like this one's probably gonna be a hard one to activate, but I don't care. What am I saying? I'm sorry, guys. I just kind of froze, but like, there's a star in here, a starfish. That is so cute. I like literally froze, and I don't even know what the heck I was saying, but all right, we're gonna put that to the side for now, and we're gonna activate this. I think this slime itself has like these really cool iridescent sparkles, but that are like purple at the same time, and they look really, really cool. And yeah. Okay guys, so I activated it. It was kind of hard, but it actually went together pretty well. Here it is. It's super duper crunchy. It has the cutest glitter, and it's like interference purple or blue, and it is so amazing. I really, really like the slime. Only thing I would say to change is to add a little bit less fishbowl beads, because I feel like there's a little bit too much and it kind of doesn't stretch as much as it could. But yeah, that is it. Otherwise, I really like it. This is the cutest starfish ever because it's like a realistic looking starfish, and I love it. All right, well that is it. Thank you so much to Kate, I think that is her name. And also make sure to check out her Instagram account. It's called Comet Creations. And yeah. All right guys, so this is super duper fun. If you guys want to do more videos like this, because I have a lot more 1-year-old boxes, you guys comment down below and make sure you press that subscribe button and that like button. And that is it. Love you so much. I really hope I see you next time. Bye.